in its valence orbit, that means its capacity to gain more electrons will be 0. So the valency is said to be 0, and these will show no or very little chemical activity, thus they are inert in nature. Now atoms, they react to achieve the octet in their valence orbits and can be achieved by sharing, losing or gaining electrons. So that means if suppose any element, it is having electrons in its outermost shell. Let us take an example of sodium, magnesium, aluminium. Atomic number is 11, 12 and 13. Configuration is 281, 282 and 283. So it is having 1 electron, 2 electron and 3 electron in its outermost shell. So these three atoms, they lose electrons, forming valency +1, +2 and +3. Now next, if we consider carbon, so carbon is having 4 electrons in its outermost shell. Carbon or silicon, it is having 4 electrons in its outermost shell. That means atomic number is 6, 2, 4. So in case of 4 electrons, sharing is taking place and its valency is 4. Now next, if we consider, suppose we are having elements phosphorus, atomic number 15, silicon, atomic number 16 and chlorine, atomic number 70. Configuration is 285, silicon 286 and chlorine 287. So that means it is having 5, 6 and 7 electron in its outermost shell. So it will gain 3 electron. So that means it is gaining 3 electron, 2 electron and 1 electron. So valency will be -3, -2 and -1. Now let us see the steps how to calculate the valency. So you can also calculate in this way as I've just shown, and here few examples are also given. For example, sodium, as I've already shown, atomic number 11, 281 is the configuration. Valence shell, that means it is having 1 electron in its outermost shell, having valency 1. Similarly, magnesium, atomic number 12, 282, outermost shell is having 2 electron, valence is 2. Fluorine 927, outermost shell is having 7, so it gains 1 electron, valence is 1. Neon, outermost shell is complete, so valence is 0. Carbon having 4 electrons in its outermost shell, so having valency 4. Now let us discuss the question answers. First, what is valency? So as we have just discussed about the valency, that is the combining capacity of any atom, or it can either gain, lose or share. So the number of electrons, whether it is gaining, it is losing or sharing electrons, so that combining capacity of an atom is said to be its valency. What are the maximum number of electrons present in K, L, M and N orbits? So K is having 2, L is having 8, M is having 8 and N is having 18 electrons in its outermost shell. Now next question is, write the electronic configuration of carbon and sodium and also write their valency. So carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6, that is 2, 4. That of sodium, atomic number is 11, 2, 8, 1. So valency of sodium is 1 and that of carbon is 4. Next is atomic number of lithium, boron and sulfur. So what will be their valency? So that means atomic number of lithium, boron and sulfur. Atomic number of lithium is 3, boron is 5 and sulfur is 16. Configuration is 2, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 8, 6. So outermost is having 6, 3 and 1 electron. So the valency will be 1, 3 and 2. Hope students, this worksheet must be clear to you. और आपको इसमें जो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर समझाएं, जो टॉपिक आपको इसमें समझाया गया है, होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe it, and thank you for watching this video.